Welcome. If you want to control who can see your Facebook page based on their age, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest way to set age restrictions for your Facebook page using your PC, following the newest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Now, select the page you want to set age restrictions for. Click on the page's profile photo to enter the page itself. Once you're on your page, look for the menu on the left side or top of the screen, depending on your layout, and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section called Follower and Public Content. Click on this option to open more settings related to your page's audience and visibility. Next, look for the Age Restrictions section. Click on Age Restrictions, and you'll see a few options for different age groups. Here you can choose the minimum age of people who can see your page. For example, you might want to set it to 18 if your content is intended for adults only, or select another age that fits your audience. Once you've chosen the appropriate age restriction, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This will apply your new settings immediately, and only people who meet your selected age requirement will be able to view your page. And that's it. You've just learned how to show your Facebook page to people in a certain age group using the latest update on PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.